This video is for number 86 in Sound Innovations 2-Note Treat. So this one, we're going to be talking about key changes here. So what that means is right at the beginning, we have the key of B flat. So that means there's two flats in the key signature, and the key signature is right in between the bass clef and the time signature. So what that means is we're in the key of B flat. That means that we are going to be playing B flats and E flats. So then if you go right into the middle, right after the fourth measure, there's another key signature right after the double bar line. So that means the key is going to change right there. So now we have three flats instead of the two. B flat, E flat, and A flat. So this means that this one's actually in the key of E flat. So after this double bar line, even if there's no accidental, that means the A's will be flat. And now I'm going to talk about accidentals. So accidentals, if you can see right above the exercise, read with me. An accidental is a sharp, flat, or natural sign placed in front of a note to alter its pitch. The effect lasts until the end of the measure. So that means if we go back to number 86, we have an A first, we have an A flat, and then the second measure, what note is that going to be? It's going to be A natural, because even though there's an accidental on the A before it, it's actually in the different measure. So it kind of gets reset right there. So it's going to be A natural for that dotted half note. And then we have the next one is an A flat. Then we have an A natural. And then we have an A flat. So those are just following those accidentals. And then if we keep going, this next one in measure 5, right after the double bar line and the key signature, that means this one's going to be an A flat now. Even though there's no accidental right next to it, because there's the key signature right there, we're going to play an A flat there. Then keep going, A natural, A flat, A natural, and then because as it says right here, the accidental is still in effect, that means that A stays natural. So it's going to be in second position. A natural, and then the last note is going to be an A flat. So it's kind of like a mind game right here. The first section is going to be in the key of B flat because there's only two flats. And the second section is going to be in the key of E flat because there are three flats. So this one is going to be easy to play mostly because it's just two notes, but it's getting used to seeing and playing with accidentals and key signatures. So, which you've kind of been doing this whole time, but this one is just kind of laying it out for you. So it's going to be one right after another. So starting at the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how'd you do? Remember to just follow what the notes are. I would also, as an exercise, maybe write the positions in too. So it's going to be 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. So I'll play it one more time here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.